Hey everyone, it is Level 6 here. Today I will be doing a good looks for your girl Arctic look. Actually gotta go right now because my food is in the microwave. It's almost done, so be right back. Why, AJ? Why I get logged out? Anyways, guys, so let's get on to the video. So, I'm actually not going to use this artic book because I really don't know how to get this thing. So, I'm going to use this one, but our first look is going to be... Okay, so, this is the first look. What you need is... some black and gray rocketel rings. Why is my present Okay. We're gonna use some black gazelle horns. Gazelle. Oh, my laptop is so slow. You need a purple gemelody scarf and a purple diamond ring. And the colors are basic, as you can see, and the pattern is this spire thing. Spire thing. Oh, okay, spire thing. So yeah, that is the beautiful look. Sorry, let me put. Oh, what was that? That was not me. Ooh. Okay. So, our second look is going to be... So, this is like the perfect look for those who like gray and stuff and like white. So, what you need is a white baseball cap, a white ponytail, and a slipper. I don't really feel like showing you guys it because it's so much work. Okay, so next to that third look. Yeah, third look. It's so girly. So this is for like the girly girls. So what you need is a blue butterfly hairbell, a rare turquoise, however you say it, necklace, some blue high heels, and a freedom alcohol armor. Like I said, I don't feel like going through all of them because it's so like so much work. Okay, so anyways, the fourth look. I think yes, this is the fourth look now. Let's go. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I honestly really like this one, so I think I'm gonna keep this one as my main look for this one. Okay, so onto the fifth look. Okay, so this one is actually kind of bad, but what you need is a red moment party hat, a blue gemelody scarf, a rare long yellow wristband, a blue one, wear not there, I don't really care, and a heart calendar. So thank you guys for watching. Before I end this video, I'm so sorry I forgot to go over the items for this look, but what you need is a magenta flower crown, a rare spiked collar. I don't really know what it's this. Okay, everyone, I'm back. I'm so sorry. I helped my grandma. But, so, yeah, you're gonna need that, and then you're going to want, you're gonna need some red caking socks. Anyways, thank you for watching. Comment down below your favorite animal, subscribe, and like this video. turn on post notifications if anyone even sees this. And tell me if you... sorry. Anyways, tell me if you used any of these lips. Can I like... I will try. If you're wondering what I'm using to record, it's because of my it's like at the bottom right there. I might use Camtasia to edit this video. But if I do, then it's gonna be like really bad quality because then I would have to, like, how to explain? I would have to I'm sorry, I would have 2 watermarks. Because if I upload this to my gallery, then it would have a watermark. And if I upload it and if I it with Camtasia, it will have that big text Camtasia watermark on it because I don't have the software key. So yeah, bye, Jammers.